ocean explorers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep for a super fun challenge. I'm going to show you the shadow of an ocean animal, and you have to guess what it is. Are you ready? Let's see who the real marine experts are. Okay, let's start with our first shadow. Take a good look. It's got a long, streamlined body, a pointy snout, and a distinct fin on its back. It looks pretty fast, doesn't it? What do you think this could be? Is it a shark, a tuna? Maybe even a swordfish? I'll give you a few seconds to lock in your answer. Think about those classic ocean predators. The clue is in that iconic fin shape. Time's up. If you guessed a dolphin, you are absolutely correct. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent and social marine mammals known for their playful behavior and that signature dorsal fin. They use echolocation to navigate and find food. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Alright, moving on to our second shadow. This one is a bit trickier. Look at this unique shape. It has a flat body and long, wing-like fins that make it look like it's flying through the water. It also has a long, thin tail. What could this graceful creature be? Is this some kind of underwater bird? I don't think so. Could it be a ray? There are many types of rays, so what makes this one special? Let's reveal the answer. This is a majestic manta ray. Manta rays are the largest rays in the world and are known for their gentle nature. Unlike stingrays, they don't have a stinger on their tail. They are filter feeders, gracefully gliding through the ocean with their mouths open to catch tiny plankton. Aren't they magnificent? To down. A few more to go. Ready for shadow number 3? Oh, this one is interesting. It has a very distinct, almost horse-like head and a long, curly tail. Its body is upright and covered in what looks like bony plates. It's pretty small. This one might be easy for some of you. It's not a fish in the traditional sense, is it? It looks like a character straight out of a fairy tale. And the answer is the seahorse. Of course, the unique shape is unmistakable. Seahorses are fascinating fish that swim upright. And here as a fun fact, the male seahorse is the one who carries the babies in a pouch and gives birth. How cool is that? Nature is full of surprises. Let's get to our fourth mystery guest. Check out this shadow. It has a round, bell-shaped body and long, flowing tentacles trailing behind it. It moves very slowly and gracefully through the water. Be careful. You wouldn't want to get too close to this one in real life. Is it a squid, an octopus, or something else entirely? Those long tentacles are a big clue. Have you made your guess? This beautiful but dangerous creature is a jellyfish. Jellyfish have been around for millions of years, even before the dinosaurs. Their tentacles are armed with stinging cells that they use to capture prey. They come in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors. A truly mesmerizing sight from a safe distance, okay? Time for our final challenge. This shadow is huge. It's got a massive body, a huge head, and a gigantic tail fin. It's the biggest animal on our list today, by far. It doesn't look like a predator, more like a gentle giant. Look closely at the shape of its head and body. Did you guess it? This colossal shadow belongs to the humpback whale. While the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, the humpback is famous for its incredible acrobatic displays, like breaching out of the water, and for its complex songs that travel for miles underwater. They are truly the singers of the sea. So, how many did you get right? Were you a marine biologist in the making, or did some of these shadows stump you? Let me know your score down in the comments below. I had so much fun with this, and I hope you did too. The ocean is filled with so many incredible creatures, and we've only just scratched the surface. If you enjoyed this challenge, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fun adventures and amazing animal facts. Thanks for playing along today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.